All right, folks, we're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the carbon Cessna 150. There we go. A little bit of a night off here where you can see this is full speed here. That was full speed. You can really see them lights now.
Landing flaps.
All right, let's bring her in for a landing here. That is one good looking bird. There you go. Get her turned around here. We're going to take her off with no flaps this time. And she just rockets right on by me.
Landing flaps.
Do a nice slow pass here. Then flaps all the way down. Really get a good look at just how slow this beautiful bird can fly.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Look at that, just walking around the sky like that. Man, that's fun. Just shows you how big and beautiful and how agile this bird can be. Get her lined up for the runway. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flare at the very last minute there. See? Let those back wheels hit first, and then let your nose just settle in nice and sweet. All right, we're going to do takeoff flaps this time. Yeah, a little more of a scale takeoff. Of course, I did give it full throttle there.
Landing flaps.
Here, let's do another nice slow pass. You can get a really good look
3 minutes.
coming right at me. Gonna go over my head here, kinda. Here, let's do that again. Except this time we'll get closer to me. I promise I won't hit myself. Like a great big full-size plane. By the way, my hands are off right now, see? Don't do that. There you go, folks. That is the Carbon Z Cessna 150
Flaps up.
by e-flite. Man.
Remaining 2 minutes.
There's your knife edge. Should fly inverted okay.
Landing flaps.
Let's get turned around, bleed off a little more altitude here. Now see, that's something else you can do. To bleed off altitude, just start going in small spiral circles. Oh, baby. Touch and go. Here's your knife edge here.
Landing flaps.
And I tell you what, I used to cuss this bird for that nose landing gear, but now realize it wasn't the bird's fault. It was just me not knowing how to fly it.
Flaps up.
Whoa.
Landing flaps.
Hope I didn't damage the gear now when I hit that ground. Alright folks, that's it. We only got 16 seconds left, so that's it folks right there. That is the Carbon Z Cessna 150. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. But she got beautiful lights, flaps, tricycle landing gear, 6-cell power. I'm running a Spektrum 5000 smart Lipo in her and loving this plane. Thank you for watching. Oh, she's 2.1 meter wingspan, so a little over 6 feet. So thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. God bless, and thank you so much, folks. And folks, if you're a praying person and you believe in God and you're a praying person and you got Jesus in your heart, would you pray for my dad? He suffered a major heart attack, and I've been at the hospital and back and forth, and I just came out here just to get my mind right for a little bit and pray and be with the Lord for a little bit and fly these planes. And it's one of the ways that kind of my prayer time too. I just put that out there, folks, because I know the power of prayer is mighty. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And God bless y'all. Hug your family.